Hey guys, it's Calaverse32 Special again. Welcome back. I did an unboxing on my new compressor, so now I'm going to do a setup video for you. I don't really have anywhere good to put the camera, so I'm just going to have to hold it. For starters, the chucks that came on this are universal types, so it can use either an automotive fitting or a industrial fitting. Frankly, those type aren't very good. They tend to leak. So, unfortunately, I don't have any thread tape, so I'm going to have to take these back off and do them again later. But I'm going to start with, yes, I know I'm using a crescent wrench, which isn't the best tool ever, but for this application at least, it'll work just fine. Here's that one off. This one's being a bit of a pill. Okay, to replace the universals, I picked up a pack, and this is an automotive Type C unit. I prefer these, I guess primarily because it's what I'm used to, it's what I grew up using. I'm gonna sit you down. With these type, they can be real difficult to get an end into. And often you have to use two hands. You push it back so you can push the end in, then it will close. Versus these, with a little bit of practice, once it's hooked something, you can hold a hose in one hand, push the lock back, put the hose in, and let it go, and do it all with one hand. Hopefully you guys can see that okay. Sorry about that, you guys couldn't see what I was doing. Before I thread that all the way in, I'm actually gonna my messy toolbox. That one should work. That's the issue. I don't have a tripod or a gimbal, so I'm having to do this all by hand. There's that.